I have a great tip for you today if you're shopping for your wedding venue. Sometimes what happens is as things become trendy, maybe we can get some misunderstandings about what we're looking for. So right now, everybody's looking for kind of the do-it-yourself. They're steering away from the all-inclusive venues. And what I find is in my talking to people, they think the all-inclusive venues are more expensive, which if you're not really diving deep, it does look like they are. But when you are going to get a venue that looks cheaper than the all-inclusive venue, don't forget you may need restrooms, tables, chairs, dishes, servers, catering, and pay for all of those things separately. And one thing is it is a little bit more of a challenge for you to manage, but in the end, typically it either will come out even or the DIY venues typically can be a little bit more expensive. You need to consider, are you looking for budget? Are you looking for overall look? Are you looking to kind of put your own little touches and individuality on them? If it is just budget, then you want to look a little bit further and dive a little bit deeper. So keep in mind, what is it that you're really looking for in a venue? Do you want it to be personalized? Or are you trying to compare apples to apples? If you're trying to compare apples to apples, then when you're doing your DIY venue where you bring everything in, make sure that you're adding up everything that the all-inclusive venue includes, and then you can compare apples to apples. Happy planning.